So I only really see two long-term moves for the moment, right? One of them is this pip. Well, yeah, GBP AUD. So one thing that I've definitely noticed in the past 2 weeks is that my versions of the major and minor key levels are things I can see on the 12-month and the 6-month chart. For example, if I go to the 12-month where every single candle is the equivalent of a whole year, one candle is 1 year's worth of information. For example, sure. Oh, I like this. A whole doji. And you look to the left, you have a huge level of resistance. So it's like, it's easy to see, hey, for the next year, I have more of a selling bias. And we can fall back down to potentially, ooh, do I still have my marker? This level here is a level of liquidity, and also this level here. Currently, we're in a level of support on the 12-month, but you go to the 6-month and you see that that's also the case very clearly. Let me back up and take this off, right? So that is why I have a very buy bias at the moment. Now, the only things I'm waiting for is for the monthly to line up. And, for that to happen, I need to see a double bottom or an engulfing candle. So I'm definitely going to wait these 9 days out and see what's going to happen. If for some reason before 9 days, we get a pull down into this level and I see a daily bullish candle, more than likely I'm going to end up buying, right? So, I have my weekly flow bullish. I have my monthly about to create either a bullish or a double bottom. Either way, more than likely, that's what's going to happen. But, but yeah, this is what I'm looking at. GBP AUD for the moment. And I also went through my options plays from last year, this year, and also my Forex pairs and my buys and sells that I've taken over the past year. The winners and the losers always have a great deal to do with the 12-month or 6-month context. And so, for example, reversals that I see on the monthly, are they valid or are they like, for example, if I saw like this, I'm pretty sure that when I saw this monthly candle close bullish, I was probably like, we could probably buy, not taking into account where we are on the 12-month time frame, which is at a level of resistance, right? So it's just things like that, specific things like that, understanding the overall context of where you are, not just on the daily, not just on the weekly, but on the monthly, 6-month, and the 12-month. For me, that matters because I do wait for the monthlies and the weeklies. It matters because otherwise, I will be doing stuff like this, where I'm buying into a macro level of supply and not realizing it because I don't have a higher bird's eye view than I should. So another lesson learned for the quarter. I'm just excited to pass even more accounts and get even more payouts and be even more consistent. And yeah, that's all. But second pair. AD Chef. So I feel like it has some more work to do before actually proving to me that it can go bearish. An early warning sign, not even a warning sign, but an early signal that price could continue bearish is a bearish weekly candle closing, respecting this resistance that's to the left. Right, that's one, but that's early. What I really want to see is a monthly double top or monthly bearish engulfing. Either of those would allow me to feel a lot more confident. And since we're a bit away from that, I'm gonna actually take that off of the watch list and just focus on this because this is more more ripe. It's almost ready, but it's not quite ready at the moment. But it's almost there. And I feel like, yeah, after this closes, I think I can look for some, bullish setups from now, August, September, whenever. So yeah, heavy trading, y'all. I'm gonna just keep studying and keep getting better.